Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is card day and we are actually making a card today. We're going to make an Easter card, and this one is using the Excellent Eggs bundle, and I'm going to change it up a little bit because I wanted to show you have options with this card, but the main thing I want to show you is how to create your own background to give it some interest in your card. And this turned out really cute. I used the die from the Excellent Egg dies and I just layered it all underneath this Easter egg that I colored, but we're going to use the other Easter egg this time. And we are going to make it a little bit different. And you can tell me which one you like the best. But I love the little chocolate bunny on this, and it's so cute. The stamp is super cute. And I didn't use the Happy Easter. There is one from this bundle, but I used the Happy Easter from the Easter Bunny. This one from this Easter Bunny stamp set. And this is the Excellent Egg bundle here. So it comes with the dies, and there's so many options, y'all, with this. There's all different dies. This is the die I used to cut all of these little pieces in the background. And I already did that ahead of time, so I could speed up this video a little bit. And it doesn't take long at all, really, to cut these out. And I cut out 2 or 3 of each color, and it went really rather fast. And then we are using this die and this smaller die as well for the next egg. On this one, I just colored the edge of this with my blend. So I just used the Bubble Bath blend and I colored around the edge of it because it's white around the edge if you just leave it. All right, and there's a little scallop die here and a little Easter egg here, the bunny die, which cuts out all of these. And if you want to use the Happy Easter from here, you can go ahead and do it. I like that this was a longer one, and that's what I used for this. So if you get the bundle, if you're new to Stampin' Up, if you get the bundle, you save 10%. I always like to mention that because there's always someone who is new watching. All right, so this is what we're going to create today, so let's get started. It's really a cute card. It's really fun to do. So we're using a regular 5.5 by 4 1/4 card base. I'm using my thick basic white, which I always use on cards. And then we are using basic white, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. Just doing white on white. You can definitely use like Bubble Bath for your card base or one of the pastel colors that we use in here, but I just decided to keep it all basic white. I really like that white look. All right, and then you need a piece for stamping. By the way, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like, and share with your friends because all those things really help my channel. And also, there is an inspiration sheet on my blog. It's StampingWithAmore.com. You can always go there for all my projects. I always do 3D on Sundays. And sometimes I throw them in, yes, on Tuesdays as well, even though it's card day. But you know me. But anyway, that is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and stamp first. I'm just going to stamp the sentiment. And we are going to use my mat because it really helps when you're stamping the sentiment to use this mat. This little mat is so inexpensive and it's worth its weight in gold. So we are going to stamp. And I'm going to turn that over because there was a little dot on that for some reason. Probably got ink on my hands. I'm just going to stamp it on the bottom there. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and cut that first. Let's just go ahead and cut it because I'm not doing it on my trimmer. I'm just going to do it freehand here. Hopefully I'll get it straight because sometimes I don't get it perfectly straight. Let's see. Okay, I did pretty good there. So we're going to leave that. And we're going to go ahead and stamp with Memento because we're going to color the other egg. And we're going to use the Memento here. Make sure I got that inked up really good. I just re-inked my Memento. So hopefully it's going to stamp really good for me. All right, and I'm using my blends to color this. I'm using the exact same colors I used on this card, but of course it's the different egg right here. All right, let's scoot those out of the way. And these are all the colors that are in the background pieces right here. So we have Pool Party, Soft Sea Foam, Bubble Bath, and Lemon Lolly. These are all subtle colors in the Stampin' Up! Colors. All right, so let's go ahead and color. I'm going to use a lot of Bubble Bath, not because I just love it, but I'm going to be using the Bubble Bath cardstock for the backing of this. And it's super quick and easy coloring. As you can see, I'm not doing anything fancy like shading or anything with this one. And then we'll do some Lemon Lolly. We're just going to do a little bit of Lemon Lolly here. And let's see, let's do down here too. And then we'll do some of the Soft Sea Foam. Let's see, let's do that up here. I'm going to just cover that area. And then I think I'm going to add a little Lemon Lolly in these little ones here too. And then we're going to do the Pool Party in the middle. I just wanted to use all of these colors. This egg is so cute. Okay, so I am going to use my die here to cut this out, and then I'm going to run this in the Bubble Bath, and I will be right back with both of those pieces. Okay, so here's the Bubble Bath. This is the larger egg, and then I ran the smaller one through here. It's got stitching around all these, which makes it really, really pretty. And we are going to, should I pop this up? I think I'm going to pop the whole thing up. So let's just use my glue here, and we'll just glue this flat, and then we're going to pop it up, the whole thing up with some dimensionals. Isn't that such a cute little egg though? I used this egg on my 3D project I did. If you didn't see that, I have it sitting right here. I'm going to show you. This is the little treat holder I made. It'll hold chocolate Easter eggs or M&Ms, anything like that. It just opens from the top here. And if you haven't seen this, I will link it somewhere in this video. And there will be a little card that will pop up, and that will be the one for this. All right, let's grab our top piece. All right, so we are going to layer these pieces that I already cut out using that, I want to call it just a zigzag die. I don't know what to call this, but it's just so cute. I cut out a bunch of them. And actually, I cut these all out when I did the last one. And what I'm going to do is just glue all these pieces. I'm going to layer them here, and I'm going to do it just in the center. I'm going to leave a space at the top and the bottom just to keep the white there, because I really love the white showing. But you can do what you want. You can layer it all the way down from the top to the bottom. But this is a great way to create an interesting background for your card. And you can use this for any occasion, not just Easter, but, and you can layer these by leaving a space between them, or you can layer them just like that. You can do two, you can do all the way down like that. There's so many options, y'all. There's so many ways to do this. But this is how I am going to share how I did it. I'm just going to leave a little space between each one, and make sure you line them up straight, because it will make a big difference on how you layer them. So I am going to go ahead and add all the pieces all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so there is the background. It's super easy to do. I had one left over from that. And we are going to go ahead and we are going to add our egg in the middle here. Oh my goodness, I love this egg on here. I think I'm going to like this one better. Y'all have to tell me what you like. But I'm going to grab some dimensionals. And we are just going to pop that up on there. It gives it some more dimension. When you're doing this with wet glue, make sure you have to hold it down for a minute so that it sticks. You know how that is with wet glue. But oh my gosh, look at how cute that egg is on there. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this sentiment, and I'm going to just put one on each end here because this is popped up, so I want this to be popped up over that as well. Isn't that cute, the background though? There's so much you can do with these dies. And look at that. I'm going to pop up this whole piece too on the basic white. If you're mailing these, you want to make sure you have enough dimensionals on the back. I probably am not going to mail it, but I would probably put 3 or 4 more on here because it will flatten in the mail. I've had cards come to me and they're flattened. Oh my goodness. You hear my puppy. I know in the last video I talked about the puppy, and she doesn't like when we leave her. Like, I'm back here and my husband was up there with her. And I don't know why she's crying. But there you go. Look how easy and quick that is. Isn't that fun? Here's the other one. Which one do you like better? I love this, y'all. I think this one is so, so sweet. I don't know if the chocolate bunny takes away from that, but yeah, I love this one. All right, everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, this is my February host code. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.